Alright, it is a soggy Monday, September 25th, 2023 evening here at Farmingdale on the Long Island Railroad's main line. The sogginess is due to the remains of Tropical Storm Ophelia, which dumped about 3 to 4 inches of rain in the last couple of days, basically to take the drought away. And you're looking at the signals of farm interlocking, which once was Farm 1. We're here to see an M3 set running as train 1060. 1060 was recently extended for its revenue run. Recently, train 1060 terminated at Brentwood for revenue service. Now it has been extended to Ronkonkoma. And today's train 1060 has a 12-car M3 set late by 98-38. All right, time now 6:19. Gates are now starting to go down for the crossings west of Farmingdale. We also have a westbound train 2063 en route from Ronkonkoma to Grand Central. And coming in from the west now is train 1060 with 98, 38, and 12. Alright, we have train 2063 with the M7 set now coming in. Now departing. We have 98, 38, 37, 99, 40, 39. Some sparks there. 98, 24, 23. 98, 74, 73. 990807 and 9840 39. This is train 1060 with 12 cars. And train 2063 departing Farmingdale, next stop Bethpage on its way to Grand Central. And train 1060 next stop Wyandanch.